Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see they've pushed it down overnight. The low of Globex is 75.25. You've had this wider consolidation area, 7 sessions worth, 6, this being the 7th. The low from those areas have been 79.25, 80, 77.75. It's basically trying to turn this resistance area from back mid-May into support. The bears have pushed back to the end, to the bottom of this area. What the bears need to do here really is convert 77 through 75 and keep the 9-day above them. Try to engage the daily mid-band at 67 and see if you can get a close down there. If you can do that, if you can pull that off, it opens up, moves back towards the lower end here. You got the 42 half low from May the 24th. That would kind of be the next stop. Hourly chart, you can see they finally took it down. I love how they do that at what? 2 in the morning. Thanks guys. That's awesome. Love it when they do that. So it was a pretty sloppy day yesterday. Both Tuesday and Wednesday have really kind of been one move days. You get one decent move and it kind of is what it is. I'm hopeful that with this push down, whether it keeps going, whether it expands to the downside or whether it gravitates back up towards that 4,200 area, at least we're getting a little more volatility. So we tried to be short into the close yesterday. And you know, we got paid on a third, then it didn't work. It looked like it wanted to go higher, and I took a one-handle paper cut last night on a long, and then it waited till 2 in the morning, and then off it went without me. But that's going to happen when you trade, unless you're willing to stay up 24/7 and stare at these screens. And there are a lot of negatives to doing that. I'm not willing to do that, and that means sometimes you're going to miss moves. We've been down here at the 77 area now since 7 a.m. So it's about 7:45 as I'm doing this. I'll be interested to see, and that's that pre-FOMC price at 77. Let's back this out because I want to give you guys a sense of what I'm looking at here. You've got this wider range. And it's been going on now, really since we hopped up over the top back on Thursday the 20, not the 24th of June, but the 24th of May, which is a Monday. Since then, it's been a wide range at times. It's been getting tighter and sloppier as we go, and you can see the Bollinger Bands tighten up there. We've had tight periods, loosening, tight, and this is the next loose period. In the bigger picture, though, we have to say to ourselves, is it going to finally break down from this wider zone? That's your zone. That's been the market for a week. More than a week. A couple outliers here and there. No real outliers to the downside. Maybe that's what today's about. So for me, it's where do we close relative to that triangle, right, or that rectangle right there. Yeah, I know my shapes. So that's the real question as we head into today. So do we break out of this bigger consolidation? Okay, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.